Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming you have administrative rights. This is required. Next, back up any important files and note the Microsoft account email so you won't lose access. Once ready, open Settings, go to Accounts, then Your Info. From there, choose Sign in with a local account instead. Follow the prompts and enter your current Microsoft password when requested. This verifies you. You're initiating the change, so the lock screen stops asking for the Microsoft password. Once you have a local account or simply want the Microsoft password removed from the lock screen, press Start, type NetBluzz, and run it. In the Users dialog uncheck, users must enter a username and password, then click Apply. You'll be asked to enter the account credentials to confirm auto-sign-in. Use the account that normally signs in. This sets Windows to bypass the password prompt at sign-in and lock screen. Make sure to apply changes, then restart to verify it works. Finally, sign out or restart, and then lock the PC to confirm the Microsoft password no longer appears at the lock screen. If you're still prompted, check Windows Hello settings and disable biometric or PIN sign-in temporarily, then repeat NetBluzz steps. If NetBluzz is grayed out or the option won't stick, you may be on a work or domain account where IT policies block auto-sign-in. In that case, contact your administrator. Make sure you understand the security trade-off of removing a password.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.